Hi, I'm Michael, and if you're an interpreter at the IPHU or the DGH assembly, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you'll be using the equipment that will be on the table when you're doing simultaneous interpretation. First is this transmitter. This is what sends the signal out to people who will be hearing you interpret. You see there's the on-off button. I've turned it off and now back on. Once you turn it on in the morning, leave it on all day. If you turn it off, people who are listening on that frequency will hear a loud hiss, and it'll be kind of annoying. The frequency is preset for either English or Spanish. If it needs to be changed, these up and down buttons do it. And this knob controls the output volume of the presentation you're making through the microphone. And usually I set it between noon and 3, over towards 3 is probably good. And then the microphone is plugged in with this adapter that it requires. The switch for turning on and off the microphone is right here. And that's usually how you'll make the system go silent if you need to cough or stop interpreting for a moment. Just turn it off. And it's best to turn it off when you're not actually using it so that the battery doesn't drain out. So I'll show you how the microphone goes on your head. This is a pretty simple microphone from Radio Shack. Just put it on like this. If you'd rather, you could wear it around your neck. This microphone shouldn't go right in front of your lips because you'll get a popping sound every time you say the letter P. So right down in front of your jaw or your chin, just close to your mouth, but not in the airstream of air flowing out of your mouth. Like this will be good. Now, and then you'll just turn the switch on, interpret what is being said into the other language, and then turn the switch off with that switch there. The other piece of equipment you'll use on the table is this headphone amplifier. This is plugged in already, and the input from the sound system will come there. This is an XLR cable which goes to the sound system. If they have a microphone or a headphone out instead of an XLR out, we have this alternate cable, which is the small headphone cable set up with these adapters to the larger size of headphone plug that will go in either position. And then you're going to plug in your headphones. So any of these 4 will work. Plug it in, adjust the volume here, and then headphones go on in the usual way. This way you can adjust the volume that you're listening to from the sound system, and you'll interpret simultaneously into the microphone. Hope it works for you well, and thanks for being an interpreter at the DGH assembly or the IPHU.